YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Aphiwe.Zunguu Instagram. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today it is currently the day of the seminar. It's the leadership monitoring empowerment. So we're actually going there right now. I had a shower. I just woke up now. So I'm about to go take a shower, and then after I'm done taking a shower, we can actually go to the empowerment tour. So I'm gonna take y'all guys with me. So yeah, I don't wanna keep y'all guys for too long. So the next clip will be probably us there or us meeting up, because I have to meet up with one of my friends there, and then we're gonna take a cab to the spot. So yeah, guys, taking y'all guys on a South African experience. So if you haven't liked the video, please like the video. And leadership mantra, leadership mantra. There'll be maps to Saho, they'll also go through it. Bro, they're representing Durban, no lie, yo. They're representing Durban. But yeah, guys, I don't want to keep y'all for too long. Please leave a like on the video, please subscribe if you haven't, and turn your post notifications so that you get notified next time I post another video. But yeah, the Durban tours, I'm going to all of them. No lie. You can't mess up with free knowledge. So the last time we came late. This time I hope you'll come early, because I'm very late. So I still need to make my bed and stuff. So yeah, guys, I will see y'all on the next clip. Let's go. Yes, sir.
First of all, before we even get to this video, I already know there's something I don't like, man.
Hey, go money zant, nina mang, mina nyoni mpata. I came from the dirt, out there chilling, name bad. Funa ngenze njani, kuze kube njani. Hold on, yeah, did it easily. Different types of cheese in me, I'm freezing. Try something on for a reason, get to it first, every season. I put a seed down and got a tree, I might just climb it up and get a peach. Get back down, say it's on me, yeah. I did it myself, yeah. Trap jumping like a Zell, yeah. Bitches singing like Adele, yeah. Nigga.
Let me avoid it. I see other stuff. Then it sends a screenshot, I am out, boy. Did you really want me to blow, boy? So, don't ever do that. Don't ever trade based on somebody else's things. Share information, share knowledge, but when it comes to jumping on a trade I'm on, it's a very dangerous thing. If you're in the channel, the Trading Cap channel, you'll see there how we actually share the analysis. In the channel, it's actually all of us. You guys don't know who actually is sending a sentence, but it's all of us just dropping. So you never really know whether it comes from me, Shake, Snaps, or Kelly, whoever, right? And you can see in there, there's not even a single message where we say buy this or sell this, because that's spoon feed. So we can see like 2 weeks, something like that. The next move you want to do, remember your intention when you're on this track is to eventually execute. And does it make sense? So 4 hour time frames, and here when you analyze on 4 hour, it should take you less than 2 minutes. You shouldn't spend too much time on 4 hour. You just have to go see what's happening, then quickly continue doing what you're doing, and I'll show how you do that. So from there, identify the highest point. You're gonna pick up obviously your highs and lows, as you can see right there. Preferably when I analyze, I prefer to use like different colors of like horizontal lines, or just so I know that I identify the high on H4, then I make the other line probably on a different time frame using a different color, just so I know exactly. Because there's some analysis, I don't know if this ever happens to you guys when you're analyzing. Like, the analysis will make sense on H4, but the moment you move that to a different time frame, you can't see anything. It's like a whole lot of lines, a lot of stuff, and it's a mix up, and then you lose the understanding of what you're doing. That happens because you're mixing your understanding. Sometimes you can see a buy in 5 minutes and then see a sell in 1 hour. So your analysis on both views are gonna be entirely different. So the next thing I want to do is identify highs and lows within the trend that took place from this high to this low. Right there, just like that. Nicely, that's a low point. So a short technical understanding that you must have as I teach and I share the information, because I'm going to get a bit deeper, is that always remember that after a low, there will always be a high. It doesn't matter what happens. It does not matter how long it takes, but after a low, I can put my life on it. There will always be a high. And that one is, like I said, even if Trump dies, nothing is going to change. You know what I mean? Like nothing is generally going to change. So as you can see, price gave us a low here. After giving us a low, then it came down and broke that low. What does broke the low mean? It means that price actually went and challenged that price where the market has given us a low and actually built past it or traveled past it, you know? I think I'm speaking the most simplest English, guys, huh? And it's easy to understand. But I have that other one, I can take it out. It articulated the movement. So as you can see, price goes from that low, breaks nicely there. So there's this one tool I prefer using, like a highlight, like a rectangle. I use that one because I believe strong in zones. So zones basically is that I know price will come back, right? I know the price will come back. But previously I used to focus on the price will come back to 2, 5, 12, 13, 16. Hey man, you'll wait for that 2, 5, 12. But where I do know the price will come back is where? Into the zone. Does it make sense? And we all know that if you've been trading, you know that price can come back into this zone 10 times. 10 times before it leaves. So that 2512 of yours, they are telling the students is a lie. Because now it's going in 2512 times 10. You must write down the signal. 2512 times 10 and 10 in. before approaching take profit. You know, so that's the war that happens. And then price plays within that area and then obviously travels down. So I love these kind of zones. It allows me to be more flexible in my expectations and more realistic. So when I start seeing the market approaching that side of the chart, I know exactly that I must entertain, I must start anticipating trades when the price is trading on this price. You know what I mean? And froze for 4 hours. And left no trace, like Bitcoin, no. It never did that. 4 hours, which means we've been dancing for 4 hours. This candlestick dances for 4 hours. When I say entry point, guys, this is like, I wish I could like duplicate myself and sit next to everyone and just like explain to you personally. Right, exactly what I'm trying to say. I'm saying execution is found in time frame. Time frame because technical movements are the sharpest thing on the chart. You need to understand one thing is that whatever that goes down must come up. Technically, not live, eh, guys? Yeah. Sometimes in life you can go up and be gone. Like, yeah, so as you can see, one H4 candle, 4 hours, 16 15s and whatever as it goes, you know. And you can see that from my just theory that I'm explaining here is that I've only found myself, I'll say, I mean, I'm confident and I say this to you guys, I'm probably, and this is not even out of like, as humble as it sounds, I am confident that my guys can vouch I'm probably the most consistent trader in the country. You understand what I'm saying? Because of such trades. And I mean consistent. You know, I blew 100,000 I think 4 days ago. And I was and how I took that loss was like, but it was because the account I was trading, it was just an account. I was just moving it in. I didn't have a trading plan. I was just, so my psychology for that account had nothing to do with my skill and how I trade. There I was like, let me see. Kill the margin, you know? Like, yo, boy, take out the coup. You know, it was really fun. But that happens when when you actually like working yourself as a trader, you know, you pushed your AKAs a bit up. But so I could never say I've taken a loss for that account because I knew what I was doing from the beginning. It's like now on Mondays, it starts, now you go to RCG, you put 300, you're like, yeah. Leadership trade, I want to make 10,000 throw from. First trade, 300. Go on, you know? And then you understand Forex doesn't work. that's you and your fighting goals and stuff, you know. So same thing happened with the 100K that I blew, but I'm talking there is no account, you know, there's literally no account that I've blown, I would say since 2022 November. There's no account that I've blown fully focusing on it, like trading it with a plan, respecting what I'm supposed to do, you know? There's no account. A lot of the young traders are doing now I'm not trusting them.
Se afloja, ¿verdad? Ibu.
Then I come back with some inspired but now as I come in, I find the chat might turn about here. I want to catch the battles, I know overall it's going to play this and that. Then I even think that, okay, this is low, push up, push the inner high, then it's giving us the inner high. What is it doing? It's giving us another buy opportunity. Because it is what? So it's just some stuff that you don't want to take away when it comes to trading. Like, don't do it. You see the market going up, you see the low. Right? If you didn't catch it, I know that it's the low area. On time, which are the highest. Right? If you haven't put that low there, it's now facing up. It hasn't broken the previous one. I would take the trade because when we enter the chart, it's still on the low. So, but we see the market trades are on the low. When I thought low, I know you guys know the knowledge. If it decides to stay when I said low, then it is using it wrong information. You know, it's like 4-3. But most importantly, the break is control space for the market. You know, after price pushes. Let's go on with that, guys. So there we go. So we see obviously now there's a low. Price pushes in with one candle only in H4. So I can guarantee you. All the components take some different on the one price decides to actually sit in right on the previous one. The most powerful one after that one would be that right here. Price should come back and sit there and decide technically that the inner high of the inner high of the previous low. You know, trading the opportunities, price pushes up aggressively, whatever the case may be, rise it up and just give you more entry point. I just say it up nicely, aggressive there. What does it do? The very next high, it will go and actually sit on this way. Inside of this high. Wait, it's just high from there. This low right here. Every single low area we have a high from that. Does it make sense? And I'm not talking about this market. I'm talking about this area, so change direction. Here's the market. Remember, this is the H4. We are not executing here. As day traders, we are not. But as a swing trader, definitely. Actually, the trades you hold about a year of a week or two. And then later stage, the trades, or even I would say about a month. Into the arm. Into the arm would be. Yeah, this is the arm, right? Pull it into the arm, it goes in, sits in an area that I personally call, myself call the inner, this will be the inner high of the previous low. Does it make sense? It sits in on the inner high. So the inner high of the previous low, where is that? Price breaks the previous high, comes back and sits on the previous low. When it goes up, as you can see, price went up. When it went up, it broke there, but pulling back, as much as it came here and gave us a high on this previous, gave us a low on this previous high, what did price do? It pushed back in and set in where? Can you see that? Set here. Can you see that? Can you see this area here? This is the inner high of the previous low. How's the inner high? How do I describe it as an inner high? It's because when the candlestick was building in an upward direction, right? When it was building in an upward direction, this is the candle. Right before it was, when it was building in an upward direction, right after giving us that low, it actually closed on a high. Does it make sense? When it closes on a high, what does it do? It creates a certain resistance or a certain point for that low. Where is the low? It's this low. Where is the low? So the overall low is here, but yet where the market, the last candlestick to close, or the last price to close, the last high would be right on top. That is the inner high. That is basically when the market goes back to give us our double bottom. See how I understand? So people commonly identify such prices as double bottom. Definitely, which is a common language. But what I'm trying to understand is that when price does this, it is actually anticipating to move. It is not consolidating. There's a lie. When price does this, it is not avoiding to move from that area. The more it keeps, that's why you will never ever find a consolidating market trading at the very same price. It will never happen. Does that make sense? Like you'll never find that the chart now will change the It keeps telling at 21. It will be 19, 18, 17, 19, 20, 19, 20, and because it is playing within its highs and lows, even in the inner highs. So in this case, what I'm trying to show you is that price breaks the previous high, comes down and gives us a new low. After giving us a new low, the price drops again, and as you can see, dropped here. It is playing above. Can you see that? It is playing on the previous low in the inner high. Vice versa, the other way around. Then it will be only stay in the inner low. Does it make sense? So, so you just want to change how you understand how you do it. So let's get into it. That was something just quite basic I want to share with you because we are about to get into it right now. So identify the lowest point. Guys, are we together till here? We'll be fine. I know it gets better, especially if you're getting more hungry and hungry. That's good. But there's a low point. The market goes up. After identifying this low area, price decides to actually push up. Then it gives us a high there, right? I highlight that high. As it gives us the high, show you that. This the color font. So price gives us a high, obviously new low. Yeah, so the new high comes, it breaks it. After breaking it, what does it do? It gives us a low. Can we all see this? Yes. Gives us actually a low, price plays around the area. So what we can never determine is exactly what time will this price decide to leave. And time, I'm not talking about 7 hours. It could happen because of the entry point, because we actually execute on lower time frames. So you will see that when I say time, I'm talking about on which minute between the next 10 minutes will the buy happen, because it will happen within the next 10 minutes. It could happen within the first 2 minutes, the first 5, or overall in 12 minutes, but the entry points will be caught within 15 minutes. It never really happens. The way we trade is that there's no way an hour goes by and you can't catch at least 5 entries. An hour, like 1 hour. And 5 entries is like bare minimum. You're gonna see when we get in here. So let's go. So previous high, price breaks confidently. Remember when I was talking about the break when I was drawing on the overhead there? And I said price breaks, gives us a new low. What does it do? Pushes up, comes back, plays in the area. Some would say no stop loss hunt. This is where the market, look what it's doing. Where is it sitting? On what I just explained right now. It's coming into the high of the inner high of the previous low. Those are areas that even if you're arrogant as a trader, you lose because of them. And if you know they happen, you anticipate them. You know that this is definitely a zone that price either reject, and you always see this technical move. The best thing about them is that when this market turns, when this chart turns on the previous high, it turns. And we're doing guys on the H4 drawing there. Here we have nice. But if you look at that H4, is that for as much as I've identified a low point that obviously that is rejected on the previous high, is that we can confidently say, look at this high. You guys look at this high right here. Can you see this high? Confidently say that there was a trend that traveled down to the previous high before it turned right before the low. Does it make sense? So for our interest, we can skip the realistic truth that we can see. I can say right now, I'm trying to tell you about a buy trend. But as I'm telling you, I'm like, no, man, there's an actual truth. There's a whole reversal here that was fully traded. Those are the time low. What does it do? We go up. So there's 2 ways. And honestly, someone's actually been listening. What have I really been doing with this trend line? What have I been identifying?
Saploa, kira ibu.
So what I've initially been identifying, and I thought somebody would pick it up. I came here and I spoke about the inner high. I'm now putting in a trend line. The actual truth of what I've been saying here is not the entry point. The actual entry is that the trend line picks up. So now this stuff that I was speaking about on time frame understanding. Time frame understanding is that there's just places where the trend line won't work. You just have to believe in analysis. Or just move to a lower time frame. Guys, how do you consider this type of movement? Remember they say we must put the trend line so that it doesn't cut the body. Now the body is cut. But then if you take the trend line and put it here, gonna win. It's gonna make sense. So what's happening here? It makes sense for me because when I go back to H4, you know what I find? A tail. When H4 is just this, it's not a body. Does it make sense, yeah? So certain things, that's what I'm saying, you have to scale A so you understand. There's sometimes you're like, no, I mean, it's not proper, he's cutting the body. No, it's not. Check H4, we're cruising. Nice. You know? That's the interval. I mean, more than 3 touches. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do the breakout. You see the breakout there? It breaks out. You see what's the most dangerous thing? Once you get to lower time frame and you wait for that breakout, it's gonna leave you that straight. I'm telling you, like, there's been so many times where we catch the entry. I know it's gonna break. You see the resistance, just go in it. Like, why are you holding it back? Within the next 5 minutes, check your phone. You're in traffic. Let's go. So we go to 30 minutes. This is how you scale down. Remember we came from each for 1 hour, right? You go 30 minutes. You see 30 minutes to say. Just zoom out and travel back to that. Here we go. I just hope that when you get 1 minute, it will allow to give us this 30 price. So then we go to 30 minutes. Already 30 minutes is conversion technically. Can you see that? This is the price that I was speaking about, right? I highlighted. Can you see that? Already 30 minutes. We have about price comes here. Can you see gives us a low right there? Can I get my trend line and stick it? Let's see. Can I get my trend line from the high? And 30 minutes. Can you do it? Definitely more visible on a lower time frame. Yeah. And it's gonna work, and it's effective. I'm not gonna ignore it. Can you see that? The price gives us a low there. And this low here is an H for 1 hour low. There was never any other lows after that. The market after that, what do we do? When we come to 30 minutes, we scale down. Why do we scale down? We scale down to see more technical moves. The more we move, the more the opportunities, right? The more we move, the more the opportunities. So the market goes up, it breaks out, comes back to give us actually a low. This is 30 minutes. Can you see that? So how many entries do we find on 30? This second entry price. Under 1 H4 entry, that's the second entry price. Let me just change the color. That's visible there. Did I see it? So the very next buy, price goes up, comes back and sitting on the inner high of the previous low, buys. What does it do after? Let me zoom in. Can you see that? These are the low. What does it do after? I'll show you. I know you guys will pay attention. I know this. You will not see something like you will not see something like this, but on a bigger time frame. Earlier when I was speaking, and when I was, can you see this? I said it happens on every single time frame. Different price, different. But look, this is happening. The market breaks and comes back. We were speaking about it, and that was when I was explaining the fact that it's not a late entry. It's actually a very strong sniper. Does it make sense? We have to scale down to small time. This I was just analyzing between the two lines. So how many entry points can we find? It's going to 15 minutes. So 30 by 30 minutes. So basically, if you're uncomfortable, 30 is where you could find you'll just be comfortable there, play around the 30, you know. Then when you're very, very comfortable, jump to 15, you know. You don't want to, but 30 is definitely the very last. I would say the last H4 is 8 till you get to like proper moves like 15, 5, 1. You know. So we go to now we go to then go back to the same price that we're analyzing. See how it looks. As the board is master the entry, like you need the rest is, you know, it's just weird that I only found out like I only recently, I think last year or early last year, my own student Vandila told me how to read the news thing, NFP, and see how to tell whether it's gonna be a buy or sell. I want that investing that come up. Yeah, it's like, boy, nah, you read like this. Like, not, yeah, you know, NFP says, sort of like, you know, but just because I've been so technically stuck, I mean, the market is 90%, 95% technical, it's everything technical, you know. And if you have a Google translator, you must watch Akim's videos. In Portuguese, these sessions are like crazy on this platform. So look at it now. 15 minutes time frame. Are we not seeing more technical? The same price of highlight, can you see? Yeah. small, we can fix the trend line finally now. We can fix it and make it cut the body now. And then we fix the top. Look at that. This is 15 minutes. And imagine I cut these entries every single time on 1 minute. Live moving price, like literally like that, you know, and that's how it's supposed to be. And I don't catch these on fire. I do it 1 minute strictly. But the best, I built up from 1 hour 30. Then our trading view has that, I think it's like 45, 40, you can set it whatever time frame. Then I said 30, 15, 30, 15. And then I was doing 15 and 5. And now we just do 1. You know, there's the lows. So from one entrepreneur H4, 1 pool. So remember that we were speaking about one. What time is it? Guys, everyone I'm teaching, we can be here till midnight. Eh?
No problem. No problem.
I know Silo is going to sponsor us with Masterclass. So as you can see, what I'm talking about, there's a pool, there's an H4 pool, right? H4. It's just one H4 entry. I'm speaking about what I'm analyzing for you now is a small area of a large uptrend. You understand what I'm saying? You don't have to trade the whole H4. Nobody actually does that. Like it's very weird. You hear somebody like, if I had to hold from January to the end of February. No, bro. People don't live off those stuff. What we're analyzing is the started segment of the market and H4 only gave us 1 buy. Look at this. We have H4 buy. This is the H4 buy. Buy 1, another buy 1. This started from 30 minutes and 15 minutes. 15 minutes we haven't seen any. Within these 2 brackets, could you have made a daily profit in these brackets? Let's see. Buy. As a day trader, could you have made your profit in this zone? You know? Simple.
What you say?
It's a shy book.
But all I'm saying is, these niggas are not different from us. Like,
Sure. Hey, besingilahle ithemba. Hey, uthi ngibale imoto yavuka ingqondo.
look at this. M4, V-Class, what else? Thingy. Like, there's a lot, bro. But all I'm saying is, niggas are literally the same as us. There's literally nothing different from niggas. But all I can say is, I'm finna make it, dog. Mark my words, I'm finna make it, bro. Look at this. Bro. Look at this. Motivation, bro. I'm inspiring young niggas. I'm getting out of my comfort zone. Yeah, bro. Motivation, bro. It's just, it's life. Motivation. We can make it, bro. We all can make it. You lost money, you can try again, you know? We can all get there, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at the rims, bro. We all can get there, bro. Hey, this nigga's trying McDonald's.
Hey, the beat go off?
Hey, just after go shoot. That's what's good. Oh, we're good. Ish. Alright, Doug. What you say, Doug?
RCG, way. Bafana ba forex, we paid every day. But download a Zaga, they making a way. RCG, way. Bavaya ga call it a green. Sorry, my homies don't mean to be mean. But let's go out and they run in the streets. Go chaka Ash. Ash is a beast. Go chaka Benz. It is what it is. Avaya ga Benz, but grading the cheese. So I was so low, they fill up the scene. They asked me to join. Damn, I was keen. Hey, Kelly, who fuck at the pipes and then it got messy. Hey, messy. Shout out to Maps, man, that's me beside me. Alex kid, they making it.
Yo. Hey, whoa.
Ayiwa.